Let's start our final exam review. This is for Math 1028. Okay, let's see the first question. So a company sells something for 15% off. 15% off the original price. Original price is $224.99. So asking the sell price, right? So we want to round it to cent. So this, we just multiply. We could do two ways. So one way, we can multiply 15% with $224.99, right? Then we subtract this number. So we will get a number. The number should be 7, 5, 7.33, right? 33.75. So this is how much money off. This is discount amount. So then we subtract from the total price, the $224.99 minus $33.75. So we should get $191.24. So this is one way of doing. Okay, second way, we can think, okay, if it's 15% off, we only have to pay 85%, right? Because 100% minus 15% is 85%. So 85% of the total price will be the sale price multiplied by $224.99. And that should be $191.24. Okay, we will get 2 for something else. We just round it up to cents. Only need 2 decimal places. Okay, so 2 ways of doing the first one. Now let's see the second one. Second one, so when we read questions, we should know how to get rid of the noise in the question. So we just pay attention to the important informations. So like this one, right? Important is 110 students in total. So being classified as a freshman, right? As sophomores, as juniors, as seniors, right? Then what else? So saying, okay, randomly pick one student out of all those students. So what is the probability that a male being selected, given as a key word, given? Given that she chose randomly from only the sophomores, right? So pay attention to the important words. So let's put a total here. So because we're looking for sophomores, right? Given, remember the probability, conditional probability, even A, given even B already happened, which is the size of B, right? Size of B is a denominator, and the size of A, actually we should see cardinal number or cardinality. Cardinality of A divided by cardinality of B. Okay, so we need a total. So how many sophomores? We have 16 males, we have 7 females. So sophomores is a 16 plus 7, which is 23. Right? And then asking she wants a male, right? So we want a male, which is 16 of them, over the total number, 23, right? Given. So given sophomores, so in this case, B is sophomores, and the A is even A is male. So the cardinal number of a male, cardinal number of male in the sophomores divided by the total number of sophomores, which is male plus female. It'll be a good practice if you do this. If you practice with you write down the total number. So freshmen 14 plus 12, which is 26. And juniors 13 plus 20, which is 33. And seniors 15 plus 13, which is 28. Right? So we could put total here. Also, we could put total amount here. Then all the males, add up all the males. So we have 14 plus 16, which is 30. 30 plus 13, 30 plus 28, 58. Right? How many females in total? 12 plus 7, 19, 39, 39, 52. Right? Yes, 52. So this way you can practice, right? Ask yourself some questions. Ask yourself some questions. Let's see. Ask one question. If I ask you, what is the probability select a female? What's the probability? What's the probability select a female given seniors? Given seniors. So then the cardinal number of seniors would be in the denominator. How many seniors in total? 28. How many females there? 13. Right? Or I can ask, randomly select a student. What is the probability he's a freshman? He's a freshman given she's a female. So now the cardinal number of female will be in the denominator. So how many females there? 52 of them. Well, how many freshmen there? 12. Right. So choose a freshman. No, choose a freshman. How many freshmen females? The 12 of them. How many female in total? 52 of them. So just to remember, the first mentioned one is the event, the first event. Then given is this divided, is this bar. Given is this bar. Then whatever follow the given is even B. Okay. All right, that's question 2. If you want to round to decimal, that's okay too. If you want to make a percentage, that's okay too. If you want to leave as a fraction, that's fine also. Okay, let's see question 3. Question 3 is asking, Melanie spent $31 on shorts. If she spent 63 in total, what percentage did she spend on shorts? Well, percentage means, so total in the denominator, right? I spent on shorts $31 in the numerator. Then we want to convert this into percentage. So what do? We can multiply 100 over 100, multiply 1 by 1. And this 100 over 100, later on we can write it in percentage. And if we press into calculator 31 divided by 63, we get about 0.49. Right, then we multiply by 100%. 100%. So we can do this because we just multiply by 1. Then 100 multiplied by 0.49, that gives us 49. Then this 1 over 100, we just write as a percent sum. So 49%. So this is one way of thinking it. Another way of thinking it, we could make a proportion. Let's say 31 out of 63 equals to 100 over what? Right, then we need to find the question mark. So then we do cross multiplication. So we do 63 times question mark equals to 31 times 100. Then we divide both sides by 63. We divide by 63. And in this case also we get a question mark equals to 49. Okay, that's it. That's for the first three questions.